If you want to start using QuickBooks, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To categorize transaction in QuickBooks, click the navigation bar on the left side, then click Transaction, then click Bank Transaction. Once you're in there, you will see the transaction of your bank. As you can see, there is a 0 transactions, but for an idea, I'm showing you how to categorize it. Click Categorize and you will see here the columns for transaction history. And you will notice here the action. In this action section, you will see a button. Using that, you can categorize transaction. And that's it. That's how you categorize transactions in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.